Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A77. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change display mode between light and dark. And we can also schedule the dark mode. Next we can change display brightness level manually or via auto brightness. Then we can change screen color mode between vivid and natural. And we can adjust screen color temperature. Then we can change font, font size, and font weight. Next we can change display size between large, standard and small. Enable or disable video color enhancer, auto rotate screen, and change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Next we can change screen refresh rate between high and standard, and enable full screen mode for apps and hide notch in apps. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.